Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, keep the Lenovo Google Home powered and reachable on Wi-Fi, and sign into the same Google account. Once done, back up any voice settings if you want to restore later. Make sure the microphone is muted so voice commands don't interrupt the process. Locate the physical reset button or recessed hole on the unit. If it's recessed, grab a paper clip. If you prefer the app method, open Google Home and select the device to begin the reset flow. Now execute the reset. For the hardware method, press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds until you hear a chime or see LED feedback. This tells you the device is erasing settings. If you use the Google Home app, open Device Settings, choose Remove or Factory Reset, and confirm. This unlinks the unit from your account and starts the erase. Once initiated, make sure not to unplug the speaker. Keep it powered until the device announces completion or LED return. Finish by waiting for the device to enter setup mode. You'll hear a prompt or see a setup LED. Then reconnect it in the Google Home app, sign in, and reconfigure room assignment, voice match, and linked services as needed. If you run into trouble, try a simple power cycle first. Unplug for 10 seconds, plug back in, and retry the factory reset. If problems persist, switch to a different phone or network, and repeat the reset to rule out account or local network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.